When to use lo que and lo cual in Spanish. And what are these words? I'm sure you've seen lo que a lot, especially in the middle of words. Sometimes we start sentences off with lo que in Spanish. It's the word what, but use it when you can replace that what in English with the phrase that which. I also like to think of lo que as being when something else is going on in a sentence. So let's do some examples so that this clicks for you. I want what you have. So what is going to be lo que. And this is quiero lo que tienes. And there's something else going on. It's that something that you have that I want. And we could also replace this sentence with, I want that which you have. Another example is when we start off a sentence with it like, what I need is... Lo que necesito es, so there's something going on. It's not just what, or what are you doing, or what is that, you know, there's something else going on, and we could replace it with that which I need is. And honestly, my biggest tip for this is it just is kind of a feel thing. You start to just get the feel for it, and now that you know what it is and you recognize it, I promise that once you start using it on your own properly in sentences, your brain is just gonna start to think, it doesn't sound right to me if I don't say lo que. Kind of like in English where some things just don't sound or feel right. The same thing will happen with this. Now, lo cual is whenever we say which, but in the middle of a word. I love her, which I don't like. La amo, lo cual no me gusta. Viajamos a Europa, lo cual fue una experiencia increíble. We traveled to Europe, which was an incredible experience. So it's not like the which of which one is that, it's more of referring back to an idea or something mentioned earlier. That's what it is. Now, if you see and imagine yourself speaking in Spanish, being able to form real conversations without having to translate so much in your head, where you just see yourself speaking Spanish with native speakers more naturally, I've put together a free training to show you how you can accelerate your Spanish learning and really be able to speak Spanish within just a few months. Just go to michaelharperspanish.com and click on Let's Get Started to sign up for this free training right now.